guys, it's Candy in the Land of Sushi. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be talking about the JR East Pass, which is available to us foreign residents here in Japan. And this is very exciting news for us guys, because I've been here in Japan for 5 long years and those JR passes weren't available for us foreign residents here in Japan. Most of you may know what JR passes are, but to those of you who don't, JR passes are unlimited passes for the Shinkansen or the bullet trains here in Japan. So these JR passes are only offered to foreign tourists. Now the pass I am specifically talking about that is offered to foreign residents in Japan is the JR East Welcome Pass 2020. Initially, this pass was only offered to foreign tourists coming to Japan for the 2020 Olympics. But the pandemic happened, and with the lockdown and travel bans still in place for most countries, JR East decided to offer the pass to foreign residents here in Japan. Short term or long term, it doesn't matter as long as you have a foreign passport. So the JR East Welcome Pass allows you to use unlimited train rides for 3 consecutive days, inclusive of all the JR East train lines, local, rapid, express, and Shinkansen or the bullet trains. So you can travel from central Tokyo to Tohoku region up until Aomori Station. So the coverage of this pass is so big. However, it does not include Tokyo Monorail and the Tokaido Shinkansen, which serves the west side of Japan. For more information about the coverage of this pass, just visit this website, and the link is also in the description box below. The selling period of this pass is from October 16th until February 26, 2021. The usage period is from October 16th until February 28th of 2021. So we have 5 months to use this pass. The pass costs 12,000 yen, and it is 6,000 yen for children aged 6 to 11 years old. That includes 3 consecutive days of unlimited Shinkansen ride. How cheap is that, you guys? Imagine the express train ride from my place to Tokyo costs like 6,000 yen, and I've only tried riding once. I've waited for this day to come, guys. I've always wanted to use the JR Pass before, but that was only offered to foreign tourists. The best and most efficient way to travel here in Japan is through bullet trains. And bullet trains are just so expensive. Like from my place to Osaka, it costs like 16,000 yen roughly. That's like $150. But this pass is just $120 for 3 days. How affordable is that? To purchase the pass, just go to the nearest JR East Welcome Pass sales office. It is also available in Ueno Station at the ticket vending machine, so you can purchase this pass with the use of that vending machine, but it is only available in Ueno Station. For more information about where you can purchase the pass, just visit this website. And before you head to the sales office, guys, make sure to bring your passport, because the passport is the only requirement for you to buy this pass. Without the passport, you cannot buy the pass. I have here my JR East Welcome Rail Pass. So at the time of purchase of this pass, you guys, you will be asked for the starting date. So make sure before going to the sales office, you know and you've planned all your travel dates. The travel date will be written here. Now, what happens if you decide to change your mind or change the date of your pass? You can do that, but you can only do it once. And you can only do that if you have an unused ticket. This pass is only limited, you guys. So each starting date, they will only be releasing 10,000 passes. Once the upper limit is reached, ticket sales for that specific day will be terminated. So better hurry and get your pass now. Now let's talk about ticket train reservation. For some lines, like the Akita Shinkansen line, they will require you to reserve seats. Now to reserve a seat, currently you can't do that online. I've checked their website, but I can't find any links to it. The only way you can reserve a seat is you may go to the ticket sales office of any JR East station, or you can go to any ticket reservation machines found at any JR East station. Now, what if you haven't reserved a seat? That's okay. You can still ride the bullet train as long as you board from the non-reserved seating area. I personally bought my pass from the Welcome Pass sales office in Matsumoto because that's the closest from where I live, and the staff can speak English, and after handing me the tickets, you guys, she gave me a freebie. How cool is that? She gave me a tenugui. She gave me this. So this is Japanese traditional cloth. It's called the tenugui. Like that headscarf, we use this at school when we clean. I didn't expect that they'll be giving this. I am not sure if all sales office will give you a freebie, but mine did. So that's it, you guys. I am so excited to use the pass. I've only been in a Shinkansen once or twice. I can't even remember, you guys. So I'm so excited to use the pass and try the Shinkansen and travel around Tohoku, because that's one part of Japan I've never been. I hope you liked this video and found it informative. Subscribe to my channel if you want more videos about Japan, and please click that bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. That's it, you guys. Thank you so much, and watch out for my travel vlogs. Goodbye! Mwah.